Hey people, so it is 11:30 in the morning as I'm recording all this. Normally I get done with my recording by sometimes at 7:30 in the morning, but yeah, today it was a little delayed. But there is this show called Monogamy on Netflix, and basically it's about these six couples who, as part of an experiment, they take part in a couple swap, and it stars Afro Americans, and honestly, when I began watching it, I thought it is a reality show, but apparently it's a scripted drama. So that's what, basically, after watching one episode, I was like, it has just six episodes and another fresh batch is coming tomorrow. Season 2 is coming tomorrow, but now that I know it's scripted, it doesn't. Scripted with, like, there's a person who's like directing it also. It's not even just reality TV. Um, so so yeah, but it's called Monogamy, and it'll give you a peek into the way the Afro American mind thinks. It's like. It's pretty interesting. No, watching these different, like when you watch Japanese dramas or Japanese movies, you get an idea. You understand why Japan is among the leading economies in the world. Because their thought process itself is so different. Yeah, it's so deep. It's profound. So in that way, Monogamy will also give you an idea of how the Afro American mind thinks. So that is interesting. So anyway, it's more than 1 minute review. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.